do is we are going to trace the number 25.
I already did that.
Perfect.
I already did that.
No, you didn't. 25. Trace the number 25. I'm going to do it up here, so it's a 2 and a 5. You can't just write the 2 or just write the 5.
No, Mama.
Which number is in the tens place?
The 2.
The 2. Good. So how many tens do we have? How many tens do we have?
2.
2. Thank you, Evelyn. And what about in the ones place? How many are in the ones place?
2.
Raise your hand.
5.
5. Good. So how many ones do we have? We have 5 ones. 5 ones. Okay. Anybody raise your hand and count to 25? Anybody think they can? Yeah, Evelyn, go ahead. Count to 25.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Nice job. All the way to 25. Very good. Okay, so we're going to draw a picture to show what happened. Here's our story problem. Shh. Good. All right, so this problem says, are you ready? Shh, listen up. Lily, self-control with your mouth. Thank you. It says Errol, had 3 stuffed bears. His Aunt Christy gave him 2 more bears. Draw a picture of the bears and write a number sentence to show how many bears Errol has now. So he has 3 stuffed bears. So what do you think we should write first?
3.
3 what?
Stuffed bears.
3 bears. Good. So let's go ahead and write 3 bears.
I don't know how to draw bears.
Me neither. It's okay.
Who knows how to draw a bear? Me? Raise your hand if you don't know how to draw a bear. I know.
I don't know how to draw one either.
Everyone knows how to. Except me. That looks like a dog.
I know. I don't know.
I'm horrible.
I'm not good at drawing.
Peanut good.
Oh, thank you, Lily. So 3 bears, and then his Aunt Christy gave him how many more?
Was it double?
Yes.
I can't write a bear.
It doesn't matter. Just write, if you want to just do circles.
2
that's fine.
more.
2 more. Good, Trier. 2 more bears.
I have to draw my other bears.
Okay. 2 more bears.
You can just draw stuffy cats.
Or yeah, you can do you can just do a circle or a square or whatever you want to do. It doesn't matter.
Well, I mean, you can draw any stuffy.
Yep. Okay, so you should have 3 and then you should have 2. Okay, so let's write a number sentence. How many bears did he have at first?
3.
3. So I'm going to write the number 3. Then what am I going to write?
2. A 2.
A 2. What goes in between the 2 and the 3?
A plus.
A plus. Good, Lily. Yeah, because we're saying 3 and 2.
I'm drawing a little figure.
Then what am I going to write?
What? Equal.
Equals. Good.
I'm
Evelyn,
drawing a little
an
tail.
equal sign. What is 3 plus 2? Someone raise their hand and tell me. Yeah, Evelyn.
1, 2, 3. 5.
Good. 5. So the answer, how many bears does Errol have now? What's the answer?
5.
5. Good. So we're going to write 5 in that little line.
I'm drawing butterfly bears.
Cool. Okay.
Butterfly bears.
Everybody finish that one?
I'm almost done.
Okay. I'll wait 1 second for you finished.
I think if my mom gave me 2 more bears, then she must really like me. Wait, what did you say?
All right. The next one says, shh. Write the answers. So we have all these problems, all these addition problems, all these doubles that are in our doubles wrap. So let's try to remember our doubles wrap when we do them.
Hold on.
So this one says, shh. This one says 2 plus 2. So let's think about our doubles wrap. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Good, Evelyn. Good memory.
I'm already on the 5.
Oh, okay. And then the next one says 0 plus 0 equals.
0.
Good, Lily, 0.
0 plus 0 equals 0.
Okay, what's the next one? Somebody raise their hand and tell me. What's the next one say? Yeah, Evelyn, what's it say? Sit down first. Shh. Check your work.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
3 plus 3 equals 6.
I
Six. All right, do you know the next one, Haley? Okay, what is it? This one?
2.
Yes, the answer is 2. So it's 1 plus 1 equals 2.
Ooh.
Ooh, yeah. Carson, please put your jacket away.
Ooh.
And I want you to tell us, what's the next one?
5 plus 5 is 10.
I asked Carson. Carson, what does this one say?
5 plus 5 is 10.
10. Good. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again. All right, and then Lily, tell me the next one.
1 plus 1
This one.
equals
This one.
4 plus 4 equals
No? What's 4 plus 4? Count my fingers.
4.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
10.
That's 5 plus 5. So you counted all your fingers. Just 4. Just 4. What is this? 1. Look at my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8.
8. There you go. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great.
I don't know how to draw 8.
I just did it. It's the 2 circles on top of each other.
10 plus 10.
All right. So let's do the next one. Lily, no. Have a good attitude, please. Right? Just do your best. It's fine.
I need to write a 10.
Okay.
I was like throwing backwards. There's homework on the back.
Sorry. All right. The next one says write number sentences for the first 2 apples. Okay.
I already did
So
mine.
let's see. Who can tell me how many seeds are in this first half of the apple? Raise your hand. Yes, there are 6. Plus, how many apples are in the second half? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yeah, Evelyn.
1.
1. What is 6 plus 1? Count all the seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good, Lily. 7. So 7 is going to go in the box. Okay, Carson, can you tell me how many are in the first half of the next apple? How many are in there?
Like these ones?
This one, yeah.
7.
No. How many are in this one?
7. 5. And then the
2,
next
3,
one
4.
is 2.
5 plus 2. What is 5 plus 2?
7.
Good. 7 is going to go in the box. There are 7 seeds total.
I
Good.
already did the whole thing.
I know. We're working together as a class, so you need to not work ahead, okay? We're working together. So the next one says, now draw a different way to show 7 apple seeds in the last apple. So you should have 7 total. You get to choose where the seeds go, but it has to add up to 7, okay? So I'm going to do,
You can just like stuff them in. Mine looks like seed raindrops.
Oh, cool. I'm going to do
0 plus. Mrs. You're doing 0 plus schools?
yes.
You
I
copied
did 4 plus 3. Is that what you did?
Yeah.
Cool. Yes, Lily. Hold on.
That right there looks like a 2.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
It is a 2.
It looks like
Yes,
a
Evelyn.
B. I need to get up and see because I want to.
Oh, sure. Yeah, you can get a. Carson, sit down. You can see from your desk. She can't see because my laptop's covering it. So I can record.
Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4.
Haley, that's fine. It's okay that it's math. Hey, look up here. Look at me. It's math. Okay, so there's only one answer a lot of the time. Okay? Nobody's copying you.
No, that is called.
No, it's not. because 1 plus 1 is always 1. Just because you wrote 1 plus 1 doesn't mean somebody copied you, because 1 plus 1 is always 1. Okay? It would be copying if you drew your picture one way and then somebody drew exactly the same. But copying isn't a bad thing. That's okay.
Today my
If they
dad.
want to copy you, they can.
Today
All right, so check your work. Sorry, Christy, you can tell your story in 1 second. Check your work. Eyes up here, please. I should see everybody's eyeballs. Let me see yours. Thank you. Okay, I want you to check your work. Make sure you filled in everything. Make sure you wrote all the bears. When you think you've done your best work and your name is on the top, then you can turn it into the basket. Okay?